Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your default search engine from Google to DuckDuckGo in Google Chrome. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can open your Google Chrome and then you can go to your settings in the top right corner here by click this three dots icon and go to settings here. And then in the left side menu, you can go to search engine and as you can see, my default search engine for Chrome is Google. So I'm going to change it. Click this one. And then there is option to change it to DuckDuckGo. You can click on it and then click set as default. And then whenever I search something, maybe Google like this, and then it will be searched in DuckDuckGo. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.